Now, how do you edit videos in the landscape mode on your iPad's CapCut? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. At first, once you import the clips into the timeline for the first time when starting a project, the project will take the shape of the first video imported. So if you start with the landscape video, the whole project will be in a landscape. However, if you want to change it later, it's not a problem because you can be in your regular state of the CapCut editing, right? Make sure you don't have the clip selected at the bottom because once you do, you're adding effects to that clip, so don't have it selected. And below, in the middle, we have the aspect ratio button. So you can tap on it like this and switch it from, let's say, the vertical 9:16 to the horizontal, which is 16:9. You also have the icons there, so you have like the TikTok or YouTube, right? Or you also have the Instagram for the 1:1 square aspect ratio in case you want to use that. But yeah, choose whichever option you want. It will adjust the project and the aspect ratio for the whole thing. So perhaps you'll need to adjust some clips here and there, but the whole video will be in the landscape now. So that's it from me. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up if it did, and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future videos.